We are here now in the HB panel. We are making for the dressing for the LB Commando Mi Sawa-Sawa. I will show you now how the proper dressing, and they will make termination for the HB panel. Okay? So this is our HB panel. You will see. Here is the cable. Here now we are dressing for the HB cable. Near top side already Paji have. He is our specialist commando for the dressing now. They will put cable tie, and they already finished putting clamp. You see, they will put clamp from the back side, from here up to down. And this one Anna already see. You will see this one already on YouTube. This is the two commando coming. Now we are preparing for the pilot. Where exactly location we are preparing for the pilot. Check where barabar. And this is my special commando. And the other one, here's the special commando. You can see this all very specialist for the dressing and termination. You see now the HB. Already now we remove the RYB. Already now ready for termination this one. And now I will see you this one actual and this one very hard. And this is the tools they have. Now because humidity, we have electric fan here. Too much heat right now. Because this one very big cable, now we are too much hard. You see from the inside, this is how we bend. It's hard, but we need to make dressing this one barabar. Already set now the two.
This one support.
Yeah. You see the technique. You can see this one the technique. You cannot find this one on the another area, but only from this side. See how hard this one coming bend. That is the line 1. You see the red one? That is the line 1. Now he is preparing the line 2, the yellow one. And the other one, the blue one, it's doing the line 3.
$24 spanner. इधर ही.
Coming?
आपका पास नहीं है ना? है, स्कैनर.